Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Todd Hathcock here from ReskinKing.com. Today, I have an awesome new source code for sale that I want to show you guys. So I'm gonna pull it up in Xcode and go through it briefly, and show you guys what it looks like. The source code is called Ultimate Trivia Source Code. The reskin that I'm pulling up is Weed Trivia, and this game has made me over $270 in less than 2 months. So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna pull it up right now. And as you can see, this is all the files are at in this folder. Not very many images to reskin, as you can see, but they all are required to be reskinned. Okay, let's pull up Xcode. It's taking a little while for some reason, but anyways, I love the trivia category in the App Store because it's simple and it's effective, and a lot of developers haven't caught on yet. This app, by the way, has had over 25,000 downloads in less than 2 months. Probably like, I don't know, 50 days, 45 days, something like that. As you can see, it's the 6th of June. I launched the app in April 18th, I believe. The app hit the App Store. So okay, now I'm gonna build it just so you guys can see it. One second. And after I finish building it and showing you guys what it looks like, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to add a question with this app and change it basically. Sometimes when the app hasn't been built in a while, it'll take a while to pull up the first time, but maybe a minute or two, so bear with me. But yeah, I just want to show you guys a little demonstration on how it works and how easy it is to add and edit your questions. And if it sounds like it's something for you, then you can easily just scroll down to the bottom of this page or go to reskinking.com/source code, and you can easily find this trivia source code for purchase. Man, this is taking a while. It won't do this once it's in the App Store. Once you've reskinned it and put it in the App Store, it won't take this long to build when someone downloads it. Just when you're building it up in Xcode. Okay, as you can see, pretty simple. Ultimate Weed Trivia. You got a few buttons here: play, high score, more games button, and this question mark down here, which is basically directions to the game, and review the app and remove the ads in that purchase. So let me hit the more games button. Did I hit it? Yeah, there it is. Popped up. That's a Chartboost SDK. And then I hit this question mark, and you can see you got directions on how to play. And you got a no ads option, restore purchase, and a rate us button. And then you got game setter connected to high score. And you just hit the play button to play. And the first question is, what is 420? And then that's obvious, it's National Weed Day. And see, I get 100 points. Shows you the correct answer immediately, and you go to the next question. You got 3 lives, and it's which plant is related to cannabis and is known as the cannabis seed. I don't even know the answer to this question, so maybe let's go with tobacco. Well, that was wrong, obviously. But anyways, as you can see, it's simple. On the quit screen, when you quit or when you lose, usually AppLovin ad pops up, And when you first pull up the game, a RevMob app usually pops up too. So it has a RevMob SDK, and it has AppLovin SDK, and a ChartBoost SDK. Game Sitter is connected. One in-app purchase, which you can make however much you want to make it for. Mine's is $1.99 to remove all the ads. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to add a question to it, change the questions. I'm going to just close it out. Okay, so what you need to add questions with this app is you're going to need Firefox, and you're going to need a plugin on Firefox called Squalite Manager. This is what I use specifically. There are other Squalite managers out there, but this is just the one I use. It's pretty cool, pretty easy. So I'm just going to click that. It says, do you want to open your last updated database? I'm going to cancel that and open it up from jump so you guys can see how I do that. And here's the little tool, Squalite Manager. And you just hit this little yellow folder up here. I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to find Weed Trivia. Open it up. Then I'm going to go inside this other folder that says Football Trivia. It says Football Trivia in there because my developer, that's what he originally named it, so don't worry about that. You don't have to change that or anything. And click in here, go inside Football Trivia. And then I'm going to look for a file called Black History Squalite. Now it's named Black History Squalite because one of the reskins that I made is a Black History app. So it just always remained the same. So you click on that and you open it up. As you can see, only 2 questions pop up when you first open it up. But what you want to do is go over here and click on questionable. And then you'll see all the pre-made loaded questions in the app already. As you can see, I have 100 that I already created for this app that's live in the App Store right now, so you guys can check it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another question just to give you guys an example. So let me pull up these questions in one of my folders. Oh, where's that? Trivia questions. Oh, let's see. 420 document. I think it should be in here. I think that's the last question. Well, I'm gonna just use one of these questions, even if it's already in there, just to show you guys. So copy this, pull Squalite Manager back up, and what you want to do is hit Add, and then you see you got all these values right here. The first one is where the question actually goes, so I'm gonna paste that in there. Oh, I'm sorry. The first one is where the number goes, so we're gonna make that 101. The second one is the question, and then 3, 4, 5, and 6 are your multiple choice, and then 7 is your answer. So we're gonna pull back up the questions again, or the answers, the question and the answers. And take that, put 1 there, then paste it in there. Go here, put 2, 3, 4. Pull up the rest of these answers. 2 inches. 3 inches and 4 inches. And then the final, you put the answer for this specific question. The answer would be B. So A, B, C, D, and would be 2 inches. So I'm gonna put B. And then you just hit OK. And now you can review it basically. It shows you what number the question is, 101. How many inches can cannabis grow each day? And the correct answer is 2 inches. So you see the answers, and then you see the correct answer at the bottom, which is B. And you hit OK. And then it says record inserted successfully. And then you just want to hit cancel, because you hit OK again, it's just going to tell you, it's going to take you back through that same process. And then this is going to pop up. So after you've already put it in there, just hit cancel. And then you'll be able to go down here to the next page, and you'll see there's the question 101. Now all I would have to do is go back to Xcode. What I first want to do is build the app again. And once it builds, the first thing you need to do after you've added your questions in there is delete the app out of your home page. Like for instance on your phone, like if you were just to delete an app, but you need to do it in your simulator. And once you do that, you build it again, and all your new questions will be recorded into the app successfully. So this is taking forever, so I'm about ready to skip that part. Alright, here it goes. Okay, it's built again. So what we want to do is click on hardware, go to home, hold it down, delete it. And then now that we done deleted it, we build it again. And the new question will be recorded in there successfully. And that's it. I would have to go through all these questions to show you guys the new question that I just placed in there, but trust me, it's in there. That's all you have to do. So we're gonna close this out. Like I said, this source code comes with a RevMob SDK. Go over here, type in RevMob. All you got to do is put your ID in, and you got the Chartboost SDK right underneath it. Put your ID and your signature. And then your leaderboard, which is the Game Center connected, whatever you create that to be, that's underneath that. And then your product ID right here, underneath that is that's your no ads feature. So whatever you make that to be, you'll place that in there. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, nice. Like I said, this one reskin alone has made me $270 in less than two months. So that's pretty good. It's ranked number 17. So just scroll down. You guys can see all the stats and ranks, and decide if you want to purchase it. And that's pretty much it, man. I hope you guys have a great day, and buy the source code. Take care.